Hello students, welcome to today's class. Now today's class we are going to discuss about 12th chapter, that is Heron's formula. In Heron's formula we are going to solve exercise 12.1 first problem. Here you can see the first question. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. Side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board? So here we have to find out the area of a signal board, that is area of a triangle. We have to take a triangle which is a equilateral triangle with side A, and it is given that it is written school ahead. So now we have to find out the area of this triangular region, and it is clearly given that perimeter of this board is given 180 centimeters. So that is perimeter in the sense sum of all sides, that is a plus a equal to 180 centimeters. That is 3a equal to 180 centimeters and a equal to 180 by 3 equal to 60 centimeters. That means each side of the triangle is 60 centimeters. As it is given that it is in the shape of a equilateral triangle, the board is in the shape of an equilateral triangle. We know the area of an equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Now root 3 by 4 into a value we already know, that is 60 centimeters whole square, equal to root 3 by 4 into 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter. So for 1s are 4 15s are. So root 3 into 15 into 60 centimeter square. So 15 16s are 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the signboard. This area is given, we got this area as 900 root 3 centimeter square. This is our first problem. So now let us see our second problem. Now let us see our second question. The triangular sides of walls of flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meters. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. The company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So this is our question. If you see the figure, given the sides of triangular region are A equal to, one of the side I am assuming as A equal to 122 meters, B equal to 22 meters and C equal to 120 meters. and each of these variables, that is a, b, c, represents each side of a triangle. So let us first find out the semi-perimeter of the triangular region. Semi-perimeter equal to, and we know what is the perimeter formula. Perimeter formula, that is sum of all sides. Semi-perimeter in the sense sum of all sides by 2 equal to 122 plus 22 plus 120 by 2 equal to 264 by 2 equal to 132 centimeters. That means the semi-perimeter of the triangular region is 132 centimeters. Now let us find out the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle equal to, we know its formula. As the sides are all different, we'll consider this triangle as scalene triangle, and the area of a scalene triangle is nothing but, we'll use Heron's formula, that is square root of s into s minus a s minus b s minus c, where s indicates semi-perimeter and a, b, c are indicating sides of the triangle. 132 into 132 minus 122, again 132 minus 22, into 132 minus 120. So let us simplify it. Root over 132 into 10 into 110 into 11. Now let us rearrange it like 132 can be written as 11 into 12 into 10, and this 110 can be written as 11 into 10. Let's group them. 11 square into 10 square into 12 square. This can be written as 11 into 10 into 12 whole square. Root and square get cancelled. We'll get 11 into 10 into 12 equal to 1320 meters square. So total area of the triangular region is 1320 meters square. So there it is given that a company had taken for 1 year. So earning for 1 year equal to 1320 rupees 5000 per meter square. Okay, now earning for 1 month equal to, earning for 1 month equal to, so as this is the earning for 12 months, we have to divide it with 12 to get the earning of 1 month. That is 1320 into rupees 5000 by 12, and 3 months equal to, earning for 3 months It is asked to find out the earning for 3 months. So 3 into, and the earning for month is 1320 into rupees 5000 by 12. After cancellation we'll get 3 ones are 3 fours are, again 1320 into rupees 5000 by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are 4 threes are, again 0. 330 into rupees 5000 equal to 5 threes are 15, 1, 5 threes are 15, 1 plus 1, 16, and 4 more zeros, 0, 0, 0, and 0. 16,50,000 is the income per month for 3 months. Income for 3 months. Hope you all understood second problem. Remaining problems you try by yourself from exercise 12.1. We'll see the remaining problems from exercise 12.2 in the next class. Thank you all.